Today, I'll show you how to do your Satang crypto taxes. Hello, my name is Nelly. Welcome back to another wallet integration video. We're talking about Satang and specifically how to do your crypto taxes with Koinly. So I'll tell you briefly about this exchange, then I'll jump into the integration part of this video, and then lastly, I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. And as always, if you have questions, a bunch of different resources will be down below. But yeah, let's jump into it. So this exchange was founded in 2017 and it's based out of Thailand. Currently, it is just on the outskirts of top 100 exchange by trading volume. Its feature set is extremely limited. Even looking at their homepage, there's only a few tabs. There's a markets tab, a trade tab, and then a blog tab, which actually is probably the most interesting part of this exchange because they have a lot of detailed articles on various crypto topics as well as news in the scene. But yeah, let's jump into the integration part of this video. So first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, just create one. It's completely free to do. Head over into the wallets area, click on add wallet. Then we're going to type in Satang. And here it is, Satang Pro. So as you can see, there's no API option. There is only a import from file option. So click on that and I'll show you how to get those files. So from the main page, obviously you've logged into your account. You're gonna click on or just hover over this wallet option. And then from there, you're gonna click on Spot Wallet. And then that's going to take you to this area where in the top left corner, you're gonna click on deposit and withdraw history. So here is your deposits, your crypto and your fiat, and you have an option to export. So that's one file you're gonna need. And then you have a withdrawal option. So that is going to be the second file you will need to import into Koinly. Now you'll notice that there's no transactions area. So this means that you will unfortunately have to do one of two things. One, you can email them and ask them for a CSV file that has your transaction history, or two, you can create one yourself, which is not too difficult, might be a little time consuming, but really straightforward. And I have made videos on that in the past, so check the link or the links in the description and follow along. It's really easy to do. So once you have all that data, making sure you get your entire transaction history. So from the beginning, from your first trade to whatever tax year you are doing, take those files and drag and drop them into Koinly. So once you've drag and dropped the files and click import, your data will start loading into Koinly. It will only take a few seconds, so that's fantastic. And after this area, after you're done here, you're going to go into the transactions area, and here you can see your kind of underneath the hood what's going on. Obviously make sure that your staking stuff is tagged correctly, even though this platform doesn't necessarily have staking. If you have other platforms that you're using, make sure you have everything tagged correctly. So sent to pool, sent from pool. And once you're happy with everything you see there, you can head over into the tax reports area and select a tax year that you're doing. And obviously this area will give you the final kind of capital gains, income, costs, and expenses. And you can also use it throughout the year to monitor where your crypto taxes are going to end up. But once you're happy with everything you see here, scroll down and select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And as you can see on the screen before you, we have plenty of different tax reports. So for the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have reports for Sweden, Norway, UK, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, other countries. We have the complete tax report, which keep in mind is a document you can just print off and give directly to an accountant, and they can combine it with your other tax documentation to submit. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this tax report might be deductible. But that brings us to the end of this video, a very simple wallet integration. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Here are the resources I was talking about earlier in the video. So we have the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. We have a discussion section where you can talk to members of our community as well as our staff. We have a forum section where you can, report any issues that you're having with our software. And then lastly, we have a contact section and you can send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. So if you found this video helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.